हूँ जहाँ राम की मर्यादा, कृष्ण की लीला, बुद्ध का ध्यान, चाणक्य की नीति, आर्यभट्ट का गणित और कलाम का सपना है। जहाँ सीता का त्याग, मीरा की भक्ति और भगत सिंह का बलिदान है। जहाँ हर पर्वत गंगा की कहानी सुनाता है और हर नदियाँ अपनी मिट्टी की महिमा गाती है। जहाँ हर 50 मील पर भाषाएं बदलती है, लेकिन दिल में बस एक ही तिरंगा लहराता है। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जो आज विश्व गुरु बनने की ओर अग्रसर है। A very warm and patriotic morning to all my countrymen present here. I am Bhartiya Chanchal Shekhawat, a student of class 9, standing before you to express my feelings and emotions. 76th Republic Day of India. Let me ask you this, what does it truly mean to be republic? Is it just only about having a constitution, or it is also about realizing the vision of those who fought for this day? Bharat that stands tall, self-reliant and united. Today, I would focus more on how our nation has that sheer potential that lies within each one of us. The power of youth and the vision for future. The youth of India is heartbeat of this nation. We are 1.4 billion strong with our 65% of population under the age of 35. But how do we harness this potential? First, perception and the power of choice. Just like coin has two sides, our perception is our choice. Many are familiar with South analysis, but I mostly prefer focusing on strength and opportunities of Bharat. Our nation, Bharat, is brimming with untapped opportunity. Second, carrying the legacy of greatness. India has long been a land of great sense, thinkers and innovators. This legacy is not just about a pride, but a responsibility for us to uphold. Third, key to success for our youth. At tender age, I learned that success does not happen by chance. It requires discipline and focusing. If you want to succeed young, there are 4 things to practice. First, read great books. Second, practice OQP, only quality people who inspire you and motivate you. Third, develop your communication skill. When you open your mouth, you tell the world who we are and what we are. Fourth, if you study the story of successful people globally, certain common trait stands out. First, no matter what, do not quit. Perseverance is the key. Second, early to bed, early to rise. Third, exercise regularly. Fourth, limit screen time. Exclusive screen time skill productively and creatively. Fifth, if you wish to watch quality. Invest your precious time in learning and growing. Sixth, learn from failures. Every mistake is a lesson. 7. Help others. When you uplift others, you grow too. 8. Be a job creator, not a job seeker. Entrepreneurship is the future. 9. Above all, be a good human being. Kindness is greatest virtue. 5th, connecting Bharat with the world. India is growing and building global bridges, making Bharat a center of global focal attention. Remember, the world look up us for not only for our intellect but also for our values. 6th, vision for tomorrow. Remember, countrymen, imagine Bharat where every child is educated. Science and spirituality coexist. This is Bharat we must work for. A nation that stands as a beacon of love, hope and unity. To conclude, I would like to say, जो शान इस तिरंगे की है वो किसी और में नहीं, जो बात इस मिट्टी की है वो जमीन और में कहाँ। हम बनाए वो भारत जो सबका सपना हो, हम बनाए वो भारत जो सबका सपना हो, जहाँ हर दिलों में मोहब्बत और हर हाथों में तरक्की का परचम हो। जय हिंद, जय भारत।